Do you own CelB tokens and want to cash out into USDT on the BNB Smart Chain, but you're scared of sending your funds to the wrong address, choosing the wrong network, or losing your token completely? Then don't make a move until you watch this video. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to safely swap your CelB token into USDT using Trust Wallet. Most people think swapping tokens is as simple as pressing a button, but one small mistake can leave you with failed transaction, unnecessary fees, or even loss of fund. I'll show you the safest method, the fees to expect, and a few important checks that could save you money. Whether you're completely new to crypto or you've been using Trust Wallet for years, this guide is designed to be simple, fast, and beginner friendly. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how to convert your CelB token into USDT on the BSC network with confidence. Let's get started. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that when we release any video, you'll be informed. Now, the first thing to do is go into your Trust Wallet where you have your CelB token. Now, as you can see, this is my CelB token, and I have CelB token worth about $1,600. Now, the next thing I want to do is just come here and click on the Discover. Once I click on Discover, I go to the search bar and then input Valeris.network and click Enter. Now, once you've been brought into this platform, this is a decentralized platform that allows you to swap your token and do other crypto-based or Web3-based operations. Now, once you've gotten into the platform, now the first thing you'll be required to do will be to connect your wallet. And as you can see here, my wallet is connected already. And we can come here, click on the menu, and then go to wallets. And then you see I have my wallet connected, which is the same wallet that you saw in the first page. Now, if I scroll down a bit, you see I have my CELB token here as well, and the value is about $1,600. Now, the next thing you would want to make sure is, because once you log into now, if you have not connected your wallet, please do connect your wallet by just clicking on the wallet icon and then following the prompt. If it is too difficult or maybe you could not catch it up, a link will be provided at the top of this video leads you to another video that shows you how you can connect your wallet with Valeris platform. Now, with that out of the way, the next thing you want to make sure that you've done is that you've changed your network from Ethereum to a BSC, because on default this will be on Ethereum. So make sure you change that. All you just have to do is click on this the network icon there, and then it will show you the options, and then you change to BSC network. Now, once that is out of the way, we have done most of it. So the next thing to do will be come to menu and then go to swap. Then once we come to swap, I want to swap my CelB token to USDT. So I will toggle this first and then click on the BNB so we can search for CelB. CelB. Okay. Since I can get it like this straight, the next thing we'll do is just go out. We go to our browser. Then once we've gotten to our browser, the next thing to do will be to search for CelB token. CelB. Sorry if I can spell this correctly. CelB. And we're talking, this is the token itself, so click on it. um, Once we have clicked on it, we just allow the page to load. Give this a few seconds. Now once this loads, come down and then copy the contract address for CelB. Now once we've done that, we will now navigate back to our Trust Wallet. Once you get back to our Trust Wallet, instead of searching for CelB, you just paste the token address in here. And once you paste the token address, just hit on the import. Give this a few seconds to import the token, and as you can see, we've imported our CelB token here. Now once this is successfully imported, just click on these toggles, so we'll have CelB at the top because we are moving our CelB token to become our USDT token. So the next thing to do will be to click on the max. Once we click on the max, it shows us our USDT value, and the next thing to do will be click on swap and then confirm swap. Now, as you can see, we have successfully swapped our CelB token to a USDT. The next thing to do is to click on the close, exit out of this, and then come back here and exit, and then go back to our home. And as you can see on our home here, our USDT balance is no longer 2,000, it is now 3,600. And we can confirm this better by going to activities, and then we'll see where we swap our token, we swap our CelB token into USDT. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do not forget to subscribe. Also like the video, turn on the bell notification so you'll be informed every time we release new content. And also, if you're confused about any of the process, do drop your comment or your request on the comment section. I'll be there to respond to it. Until next time, stay safe.